Hi, I'm Peter Robinson from AgXeed, International Sales Manager for Autonomous Solutions establishing dealers globally. So AgXeed's driven on three key principles: bringing autonomy to agriculture. We see society needs changing in terms of food production, and AgXeed are focused on bringing autonomy and consistently to farmers around the globe. Secondly, protecting the soil. As AgXeed, we feel as though tractors and agricultural vehicles getting too large and having a negative impact on the soil as farmers try to achieve more with less. So autonomous solutions, particularly tracked vehicles, we're hoping to reduce that to give the soil a better chance of giving the best yield. Then finally, as we see more in digital agriculture, we're looking to make that much simpler. There's a huge amount of technology in agriculture today, but by moving that onto autonomous machines, we can consistently reproduce effective in-field operations for the best yield. AgXeed's bringing autonomy to agriculture, and key drivers for that are the labour force working in agriculture is generally being reduced 4% generation by generation. So as the depopulation of rural areas continues, farmers' needs haven't changed, and autonomous solutions should help that. The availability of water is becoming more challenging, so by using autonomous machines, we can consistently improve the availability of water and also the crop usage. And then also with a changing climate, in 2024, we've just had the hottest summer on record. The time consistency and concern of getting crops in the ground and out of the ground is paramount for increased yield. Hexagon's hardware and software solutions have given us the versatility and integration options to allow us to create autonomous machines for agriculture, viticulture, and viticulture, because all of the applications can be very different. So applications such as apple orchards in Canada are very different to the wide open plains of Australia, and hence Hexagon solutions give us the confidence and support of a functionally safe solution, but at the same time allows us to integrate our own sensors and input depending on those conditions. So AgXeed and Hexagon are continuing to innovate and integrate solutions, not only for agricultural vehicles, but also for the implements behind. So now it's a matter of making the implement smarter in terms of grain sensors, soil sensors, to continually analyze what's going on, engaging in the soil, and giving the quality and reassurance that the tasks that are going on in field are optimal for both the field and for the crop being grown. Autonomy has been received incredibly well by farmers globally. It's taken 20 years for auto steer to become mainstream globally, and that was a very long and painful process. But autonomy has accelerated that very quickly. Farmers around the world are accepting that digital agriculture is becoming very challenging, that the labour force in rural areas, which is continually being depopulated around the world, is becoming harder and harder. Changing climate around the world means farmers need to achieve more in a shorter time space. And so for that reason, relying on solutions that can work unattended, unsupervised, and through the night is going to give them far greater output and ultimately serve them better in terms of crop yield and quality. I feel Hexagon's the right partner for GNSS and IMU solutions. Their global coverage of a backup GNSS solution and corrections gives us inch-accurate positioning in times of challenging conditions or lack of cellular connections. So it provides us very well across the range of autonomous solutions we have, whether it be orchards, vineyards, or in the open plain arable sector.